Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a class 10 or 12 student preparing for the CBSE board exams, then this video is just for you. Today I'll be sharing some powerful tips and tricks to help you score maximum marks in your exams. So let's get started. Alright, smart strategies are more important than long hours of study. Let's see what you can do. Focus on high-weighted chapters and important formulas, theorems and concepts. Instead of reading everything, go through summaries, notes and NCERT book back exercises. Set a timer and solve at least one model paper every day. This helps you manage time and understand the exam pattern. Don't just read, write down the answers as keywords, especially for theoretical subjects like science, social studies and English. This improves your retention. CBSE exams are concept-based, so make sure you understand the topic instead of rote learning. Identify the topics that you struggle with and revise them daily. Take small breaks every 45 to 50 minutes. Drink lots of water and get at least 7 hours of sleep to keep your brain fresh. Now let's talk about exam day. Even if you know everything, the way you present your paper can make a huge difference. Here's how you can impress the examiner. Use the 15 minutes reading time wisely. Identify easy and tricky questions and plan your answers accordingly. Use proper spacing, underlining and bullet points to make your answers look clean and structured. Ensure neat handwriting for better readability. If you make a mistake, don't strike it with a pen. Instead, put a line across it with a pencil. In subjects like science and social science, underline the important terms. Use only one colored pen, either blue or black. Don't use two different colors while writing headings and content. Underline important points only using a pencil. Use diagrams and flowcharts wherever possible in subjects like science and geography. Label them properly for extra marks. Don't write unnecessary details. Be precise and answer exactly what is asked. Make sure to finish your exam before 15 minutes. Revise your answers, correct spelling mistakes, check the question number and ensure you haven't missed any questions. Allocate 2 hours and 45 minutes to answer all the questions and reserve the last 15 minutes for reviewing your answers. Avoid spending too much time on any single question. If you get stuck, move on and return to it later if time permits. Check the time regularly while writing to ensure you are on track. Even if you are unsure, try to answer all the questions to maximize your score. Leaving questions blank reduces your chances of scoring marks. Write side headings for the social science and science exams. Use only points, not paragraphs. Many students feel nervous before exams, but don't worry, you're not alone. Here's how you can overcome exam fear and stay confident. Believe in yourself and say, I can do this. Avoid negative thoughts. If you feel nervous, take a deep breath and remind yourself that you're well prepared. Stick to your study plan and avoid last-minute cramming. A fresh mind is more powerful than last-night cramming. Instead of wasting time between exams, create a proper timetable to cover all subjects effectively. Before each exam, dedicate time to revising key concepts, formulas and important topics. A well-planned revision helps in better retention and boosts confidence. Allocate specific hours for each subject and include short breaks to stay refreshed. Solve previous year's papers, sample questions and make quick notes for last-minute revision. Studying regularly between exams ensures that you don't feel overwhelmed at the last moment. Use this time wisely and go into each exam fully prepared. Remember, board exams are not just about marks. They are about how well you manage your time, pressure and learning. Stay focused, stay calm and give your best. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Wishing you all the best for your exams. Go and shine.